Right, it's back to 2012 again for another mining set. This is the 4th of 5 actually. It's 4200. It's the mining 4x4. And I did just unbox it because it's brand new. And I was filming that and my daughter decided to come in the middle of it, which meant the dogs went mental and she decided to start cooking in the kitchen. So I had to stop that. But I have just opened it. There's the bag. So it is quite literally brand new. This is a sticker sheet. So it is brand new out of the box. So let's have a look. Right, I've got another one of these blokes here. I mean, every single one's got this bloke in. I've got loads of them now. It's quite tedious. You know, a bit of variety, couldn't we? Nice bit of paper and shirt there. Very sexy. It's going to stand there next to Frankie, who's going to remind you to like and subscribe. And also to look at some of the really old ones I've got as well, because there are quite a few going back quite a way. Okay, radar dish with a little arm in it with a clip. And now we've got to put this sticker on. Which way does it go? That way. Okay. Oop, we can pick the damn thing up, we'll do it. Oh, which way does it go? Right, that way. Let's hold it the right way. That's it. Okay, and look quite funny about getting stickers on correctly, so we'll have a look. Right. Oh, that's slightly right. Let's try doing it this way up. Coming from the top. And no, it's still not right up that side, there we go. Right, that's about right, that's fine. Happy with that. That goes on there. Put you over there. Fuck's sake, it's on fire now. I've got to make a detonator now. The damn thing to go in the hole. Oh, another dish or dustbin lid. There it is. Put that there. More dynamite, which we just sort of leave lying about the place. Not very security conscious, is it? And right, how many of these have we got? Oh, got a tyre in there. 2 of these gold things, and then 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, Christ on a bike, just go in there. Right, oh, he's got a box for this lot of stuff. Anyway, look. Get that. Some sort of drill. Just throw the dynamite in as well, shall we? Goes in, there we are. Right, all your paraphernalia over there. Right, let's build the vehicle. Then here's one of the more modern vehicle bases. 2 light bluish bluish grey. 2x3 plates. Here's the extended wider wheel holders. And we've got a strange selection of colours again. Red and some blues down in the base. Where's a little slope? We need a little slope that's going to go in the dip there, which I don't seem to be able to see. I mean, it should be. I've just opened the damn bags. Oh, that's because I'm looking for a slope, and because it's folded in half in instructions, it makes it look like it's one of those slope pieces. It's not. It's a tile, flat tile. It looked like it was at an angle. Just spend time looking for a brick that isn't there. Right, red seat with a sprue. Right. Same on both sides here. It's got these extended inverted slope type things. There it is. Both sides, these tall 1x2 bricks. Interesting choice in there. And one, oops, 2, 3, 4. And one of these, like this is modified brick, I think. I'm sure it is, which is a bit bizarre because it isn't a brick, in my opinion. There we go. Yellow plates, 1x4, and then 2 of these small. I bet there's loads of these extra. Just go on there. Is it new bricks don't want to go on better, or is it just me? Probably just me. Right, some red lights going on. And oh, it's another sticker time on this yellow plate. Let's see if we can do it. My manky thumbs there. It's alright, happy with that. On it goes. Somewhere, which to go right on the back there, there we go. A 1x4 plate and a 1x4 brick. And another one of these on the front, which has a tile with a grill and 2 of these trans pieces here. Don't know why these to be red, but it is. Let's have some dark bluish grey ones of these as well. No, not that one, this one. Okay, I think that's going to have a sticker on it, isn't it? Alright, perhaps not then. No, it's on the roof. Right, we're lying then. Right, headlamp holders, not for headlamps, for in fact these little slopes, which are apparently going to be ring mirrors, even though you can't see anything in them. Doors. One. Still got the old classic doors. I mean, they changed up bits, but we still got those. See hairs everywhere. Not even dog hairs. Put that one on there, nice and snug. Red light on there for some reason. Not quite sure what that's for. What else goes on here? 2 of these 1x2 bricks with a clip. 1x6, 1x4 plate even. And we've got some little modified plates and tiles in here. Alright, we'll go in there. Okay. They look tan on the instructions, but they're not. Just bollocks that, haven't I? Haven't put the bloody thing on yet. That's why it's tricky to get in, because it's not supposed to go in there. Right, we've got to put a plate on first. Now we put that on, better. And some panels. On the back there. That's looking a bit more like a truck now, isn't it? Pick up truck. Okay, we've got one of these bars on there that has the plates like that. A windscreen goes on there. And this one does have a little bit underneath here, because some do, some don't. There's 1x1 bricks on there. And make the wheels. Pop. Another one. Pop. In there. Whack them on. Right, and that's almost done. And we're just going to put the stick on, which just goes right to the front of that. So we'll have fun here. Oh, my bin's just blown over. Exciting. You might have heard that, you might not. If you didn't hear it, it's not my point me saying it. There it is. Right. I'm not going to put them in there, I'm just going to put the roof on. And this thing goes on the back, I see. Oh, that's quite good. Well, there it is then. That's a brand new unboxing of 4200 Mining 4x4 from 2012. Done.